Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Botrix, a powerful chatbot for your streams. First, navigate to the Botrix website and sign in using your Twitch, YouTube, or Kick account. Once logged in, connect your desired streaming platforms within the dashboard. It is crucial to then grant Botrix moderator status in your channel's chat settings. Finally, verify the connection by typing a simple command, like !uptime, in your live chat to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, let's dive into the essential chatbot features. Botrix allows you to create custom commands with personalized responses, enhancing viewer interaction. You can also leverage many pre-built commands for common information, such as a viewer's follow duration or watch time. Implement automated timers to regularly share important messages, like social media links, every 30 minutes or after a certain number of chat lines. Remember to set permissions for who can use each command, from everyone to moderators only. Next, let's enhance your stream's visual appeal and engagement with widgets and alerts. Botrix offers customizable alerts for new followers, subscribers, and tips, which you can easily integrate. You can also add dynamic widgets, such as a follower goal or a live chat box, directly to your stream. Simply copy the unique widget URL from Botrix and paste it into a browser source in your streaming software, like OBS Studio or Streamlabs, ensuring a width of 1920 and a height of 1080 pixels for optimal display. Finally, let's explore Botrix's advanced tools for robust community building. Enable comprehensive moderation settings to automatically remove spam, unwanted links, and specific phrases, keeping your chat clean. Set up a loyalty system to reward your dedicated viewers with points and levels for their engagement. You can also host exciting giveaways directly through Botrix and integrate it with your Discord server to send automated live notifications. These features help foster a positive and interactive environment for your entire community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.